The topic that we have today is digital economy a leveler or creating economic inequality across the globe? In this topic, we see that the topic has or in it. Either we have to choose the role of digital economy as leveler or economic inequality. We cannot go hand in hand and take both aspects together. So in this topic, the first stance that we'll be taking is that it is creating economic inequality across the globe. We'll take the stance clarity by saying that across the globe there is a less provision of digital technology. There is this increasing gap of rich and poor and increasing digital gap due to which it is creating economic inequality across the globe. Number 2 के ऊपर आके बताएंगे that how it is creating, यानी कि digital economy is creating an economic inequality across the globe. इसके नीचे हम सब headings देंगे जिसके अंदर mention करेंगे that it is basically the distortion of different resources, the rich global north and global south divide, the economic void, moreover the technological comprehensions. All of these factors are contributing to this economic inequality across the globe. Number 3 के ऊपर जाएंगे, will be mentioning that how this economic inequality generated by this digital currency, digital economy is creating repercussion for the society's political, economic, social, cultural, with major focus on economic inequalities. And then we'll move towards the fourth thing, in which we'll suggest that how we can make this digital economy a leveler or at least a thing which cannot harm the majority of the world. उसके अंदर solution में mention करेंगे that before this whole mantra should be propagated, the first thing is that जो lower economies हैं, जो south की हैं, global south है, it should be equipped with the digital environment, digital technology. They should be comprehended with all those tech skills. With this they can actually come parallel with the first world and the global north. And then conclusion. So to concise it, you have to choose one side. Either it is being a leveler or it is creating an economic inequality. हमने चूज किया that it is creating an economic inequality. Stance clarity में प्रूव किया कैसे economic inequality है. Then नीचे आए how it is an economic inequality, the digital economy, then impacts of it as an economic inequality, and then moving towards the third point that how we can use this in future digital economy को कैसे हम लोग use कर सकते हैं to create या to make it a leveler for the whole society, and then conclusion. Thank you so much.